Alright, kicking off our countdown, we've got this foggy, ethereal sledder at Gateway. The way that the morning sun was shining through the mist and creating this dreamlike landscape made it a brief yet unforgettable flight. Sand City is a perfect example of what chill paragliding looks like. Just getting a bunch of friends to all show up on a sunny afternoon and boat across the dunes. It's a great way to spend the day.
Alright, now just ease out of that brake and you'll come back level 20, ease it out.
At number 13, we've got this SIV flight over Lake Berryessa, where I did my first stall.
Woohoo! Here we go! Slow it down, all the way down, up, and then down again. All the way down, all the way down. Now hold it down, hold it down, hold it down. There it is. Alright, half release, full release. Check it, let it fly, hands up, hands up. Check the surge, let it fly. Beautiful! Good job, dude. That was a great first stall. Alright.
Flying at Channing East always reminds me of the Windows XP desktop background. This was a beautiful, crisp winter morning with perfect conditions, and every local pilot swarmed to the area to take advantage of the beautiful day. Coming in at number 11, we've got Sled Heaven at Levin. My friend and I launched from the top and enjoyed a nice bubbly sledder with panoramic views of Silicon Valley. The first entry in our top 10 is this spectacularly clear day at Mussel Rock. It was warm, it was lifty. You could look all the way across San Francisco and see the Golden Gate Bridge. It was just a beautiful day. Next up was this super smooth day at Blue Rock, where we were so impressed by the conditions that we had a little chat.
This is like the smoothest day I've ever had here.
Man, I was going to say, this is super smooth. I didn't know if this was unusual, but I can't believe it. It's amazing. It's like glass.
Hey guys, can you stop waking me up? It's so smooth here.
Okay, go back to sleep, G.
This cross-country flight at Lake Annecy was a milestone, as it marked my first international paragliding expedition. Navigating among the various peaks and towering cliffs that encircled the lake left an indelible mark on my paragliding journey. At number 7, gliding along the ridges of Bali on a lazy Sunday afternoon was a delight. The views of the ocean, ancient temples, wild monkeys made it an idyllic day for relaxed paragliding.
That trail, you're going to go even brake pressure and center yourself up. Heading toward
At number 6, we're returning to school for my maiden flight from the top of Baby Blue Rock.
nice launch. And then once we get over that trail, you're going to go even.
And marked my first venture beyond the lower training hill, and this flight granted me my first experience of being airborne for longer than a minute, offering a deeper insight into the essence of paragliding. Yeah. The first in our top 5 is this epic cross-country flight in Piedechinche. I hired a local pilot to lead me on a tour of the area on a perfect thermic day. We spent hours touching the clouds and covering huge distances. Something in my mind clicked during this flight, and I felt like I leveled up. Number 4 brings us yet another epic cross-country flight. This was a day of many firsts for me. It was my first real mountain flying, my first time catching a thermal, and my first time reaching cloud base. It was a perfect day of thrilling milestones and unforgettable views.
We can look down and see West Mont College.
It just doesn't get much more beautiful than paragliding in Hawaii, which is why this flight lands at number 3 in our countdown. The color of the water from above was super vibrant. The conditions were perfect, and we could have flown all day, but it was our last day in Hawaii and we had a plane to catch, so we had to cut it short. At number 2, we've got this monumental flight off Mont Blanc. Flying right next to the mountain, I got to see spectacular views of waterfalls, fly over a glacier, and then turn downwind through the valley, flying over Chamonix. And my number 1 paragliding flight took place on a stunning evening at Goat Rock. This spot has been close to my heart since childhood, and it was here 8 years ago that I witnessed my first paraglider, recording the footage you're seeing now. Returning here to soar through the skies marked a pivotal moment, bringing my paragliding journey full circle. It was a testament to the power of chasing my dreams, overcoming my fears, and embracing the unknown. The transformation from a curious, awestruck observer to the one being watched from below was a profound and humbling experience.